How to change interval for auto-deleting items in the bin on iPhone Mail app. First, let's return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we go to your Apple account name at the top. Next, tap on iCloud. Then tap on the Seal button. Then tap on iCloud Mail. In here, we scroll down and tap on Mailbox Behaviors. And then in the Move Discarded Messages into, select Deleted Mailbox. Then we go down and tap on the Deleted Messages. Here to remove, you can set to never, so never remove, or after 1 day, after 1 week, or after 1 month. So here we can set it to automatically delete after 1 day. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key. Sorry, you're supposed to tap on the accept button. So we do that again. So here, tap on remove, automatically remove after 1 day. Then tap on the accept button at the top. And that's it. So here, that's how you can set your mail app to automatically remove any deleted emails from the trash after 1 day or 1 week or 1 month. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.